Congratulations on your purchase of FlexShade Zip Motorized Shades by Draper Incorporated. This video will cover limit setting for proper operation of the shade. For instructions on proper product installation and mounting of the FlexShade Zip Motorized Shade, please see the previous instructional videos in this series. Please watch the entire video carefully before beginning the limit setting process. You can download a more detailed PDF version of think instructions at draperinc.com. To begin programming with your remote, you must first assign a transmitter channel to the motor you will be programming. To do this, connect power to only one motor at a time. Select a transmitter channel to assign to this motor. Simultaneously hold the up and down buttons until the motor jogs, and then release the buttons. Take note of the motor's direction. To reverse the direction, hold the My/Stop button for 5 seconds until the motor jogs. Please note, failure to complete this step can only be corrected with a motor reset. Next, position the shade to the desired upper limit position. Simultaneously hold the My/Stop and the down buttons until the motor moves down, and then release the buttons. To set the correct lower limit, move the shade into the desired lower limit position using the up and down buttons. Press the My/Stop button to stop the shade at any time. When the shade is at the desired lower limit, simultaneously hold the up and My/Stop buttons until the shade begins to move up, and then release the buttons. The shade should return to the upper limit position and stop. Next, hold the My/Stop button for 5 seconds until the motor jogs. To complete the programming process, put the motor into user mode by pressing the small programming button on the back of the transmitter until the motor jogs. If you have more than one motor to program, disconnect power to this motor and move to the next motor on site. Repeat the limit setting process until all shades have been individually programmed. Upon completion of programming, reconnect all motors to power. This concludes limit setting for the FlexShade Zip Motorized Shade system. Your system is now fully operational. For additional programming, watch our Advanced Shade Operation Programming video in the FlexShade Zip installation video series. If you need further assistance, please contact your dealer or call Draper Inc. at 765-987-7999.